You won't believe that this intricate masterpiece started as just a simple block of wood. Stick around to see how this high-precision machine brings art to life. Today, we're using a CNC carving technique to engrave this ancient traditional pattern. The level of detail here is insane. Every millimeter is calculated to ensure perfection. Notice how the drill bit smoothly glides through the timber. This isn't just technology. It's the perfect blend of modern engineering and traditional craftsmanship. The smell of fresh wood shavings in the air is just the cherry on top.